very wise was he. And then one day, a magic day came my way. And as we spoke of many things, fools and kings, this he said to me, the greatest joy you'll ever learn is just to love and be loved and There was a boy, a very strange, enchanted boy. He said he traveled very far, over land and sea, a little shy and sad about, but there he was he? And then one day, a magic day came my way, and as he spoke of many things, fools and kings, this he said to me, the greatest joy you will ever learn is just to love and be loved in He traveled very far, over land and sea, a little shy and sad about, but very wise was he. That one day, the magic day, he came my way, and as he spoke of many things, fools and kings, this he said to me. The greatest joy you will ever learn is just to love and be loved
Branston, saxophone section.